Hey, Dave here with Transfer Express. Today we've got the Tag Along HP Quick Change Platen. All right, I'm really excited about this. It's a brand new Platen from Stahls, and this is going to revolutionize the way that you are printing your inside tag prints. You're going to be able to print your front chest or left chest and the inside tag at the same exact time. So this just came in, it's brand new. We cannot wait to get it open. So we're going to unbox it with you here today. Get the sides here, get the tape nice and open. There it is, just some styrofoam and the Platen. We'll go ahead and lift it right on out. This thing comes with a quick slip pad protector already set on it and a nice little foam pad there as well, just like any of the other Platens. Look at that thing. Shirt tag prints right here, the rest of your shirt prints here, everything cut right out for the collar. I'll show you how it works in just a minute. Attached on the back, you do have the screw to fit into the quick change. And this will fit any Hotronix press or Max press manufactured after 2014 with the capabilities to press a full-sized Platen. And that's it. Everything's set up, ready to go. Now it's time to attach it onto our Hotronix auto clamp. So really super simple. There's the quick change lever on the side. This Platen lifts straight out. Set that one right there. And here is our brand new Tag Along HP Quick Change. And of course, we'll just set it right back down in there. Lock it in, and it's good to go. How easy is that? Quick change, Tag Along HP press. Let's press a shirt on it. I've got just a black Gildan here. This does have a tearaway tag. Makes it really easy to just pull it off. And then we've got some transfers here. Using our goof proof today, applying at 365 and our tag. So let's go ahead and get it on the Tag Along and show you how it works. Take the bottom of our shirt here. So we'll go ahead and thread it on. Go ahead and get everything as far down as possible. You see how well that neckline lines right up? That's it. And then all you have to do is reach underneath, grab that on the back of the shirt, tuck it right on up in there. Try to pull the seams off as much as you can. And pull this down. Try to keep those seams off as well as you can. All right, now that it's all ready, go ahead and remove our tag here. It is a tearaway tag, so real easy to just pull right off. Gone. Can't even tell it was there. We're gonna get our press all set up. We'll be pressing today at 365 degrees for our goof-proof screen printed transfers. We're gonna pre-press our garment for 4 seconds and our goof-proof applies at 4 seconds as well. So we're all set up. Let's go ahead and preheat it. Now that the press is already set up and the garment's on the Tag Along, easy as that, 4 seconds. After that pops up, we're gonna go ahead and get our tag situated and placed right here. And we'll take our full front graphic as well. Lay this directly on the shirt. Real easy to see where the seams line up here and the whole collar. So that makes it real easy. We'll go ahead and put it 3 fingers down from the collar like we usually do. Right there. Now we're ready to apply. 4 seconds of goof proof. Medium to firm pressure. We're going to go ahead and peel immediately. Okay. Just as easy as it goes on, it comes off, just a little pinch, and it slides right down, and we'll pull the whole shirt off the Platen. And there it is. Front shirt and on the tag as well. I love this brand new Tag Along HP Quick Change Platen from Stahls for any Hotronix or Max press. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate your dedication to learning, and we're here to support you. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell to stay notified. There'll be a link to the Quick Change Platen up here and down below. And until next time, happy pressing.